Welcome to our culinary journey through the rich and diverse world of Somalian seafood. We're about to dive headfirst into a cuisine that's bursting with flavor, tradition, and the freshest catches the Indian Ocean has to offer. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Today, we'll explore 4 mouth-watering dishes that showcase the unique flavors and traditions of Somali cuisine. From aromatic curries to crispy fried delights, we'll unlock the secrets behind these culinary masterpieces. We're talking authentic ingredients, bold spices, and techniques passed down through generations. So, loosen your belts, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. This is a culinary adventure you won't want to miss. First up, we're diving straight into the heart of Somali cuisine with Malay kumbe. This isn't your average fish curry. No, this is a symphony of flavors that'll transport you straight to the Somali coast. Imagine succulent pieces of fresh fish, simmered in a rich and creamy coconut sauce, infused with an intoxicating blend of spices. The key to a truly spectacular Malay kumbe lies in the sawash. This spice blend is the backbone of Somali cooking, and it's a combination that'll blow your mind. We're talking warm cinnamon, fragrant cumin, earthy coriander, fiery chilies, and a touch of sweetness. Get these ratios right, and you've got yourself a base for a curry that'll have you licking the plate clean. Now, the fish. You want something firm, something that can hold its own in this luxurious sauce. Think cod, haddock, or even snapper. Marinate it with a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of salt, and a touch of the sawash for good measure. While the fish is marinating, let's build that incredible sauce. Gently fry onions, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. Then add your sawash and tomatoes, letting them melt into a beautiful, rich base. Coconut milk is the final touch, creating a velvety, smooth sauce that'll coat every morsel of fish to perfection. Serve your Malay kumbe over fluffy white rice, with a side of chapati, or even with soor, a traditional Somali cornmeal porridge. Trust me, one bite and you'll be hooked. Next up, we're taking a trip to snack heaven with Somalian fish sambusas. These crispy, golden triangles are packed with a savory fish filling that'll have you reaching for more. Imagine biting into a perfectly fried sambusa, the crunch giving way to a burst of aromatic spices and tender fish. The beauty of sambusas lies in their versatility. You can customize the filling with your favorite spices and herbs, but the base remains the same, a simple dough made with flour, water, and a touch of oil. Don't overwork it, just bring it together until you have a smooth, pliable dough. Now for the star of the show, the fish filling. We're talking finely minced fish, sautéed with onions, garlic, and a medley of spices. Think cumin, turmeric, coriander. The bolder, the better. The mixture should be moist but not soggy, ensuring those sambusas fry up to crispy perfection. Once your filling is ready, roll out the dough paper thin and cut it into squares. Place a spoonful of the fish mixture in the center of each square, fold it into a triangle, and seal the edges tightly. A quick dip in hot oil is all it takes to transform these little pockets of flavor into golden brown delights. Serve your Somalian fish sambusas with a side of spicy tomato salsa or a cooling yogurt dip. They're perfect as a snack, appetizer, or even a light lunch. Chapter 3, Kaluun lilai red snapper transformed. Get ready for a true spectacle, a dish that's as visually impressive as it is delicious. Kaluun lilai. This is deep-fried red snapper, elevated to an art form. We're talking crispy skin, glistening with flavor, and succulent, flaky flesh that melts in your mouth. Choosing the right fish is crucial here. You need a whole red snapper, fresh from the market, its scales shimmering like jewels. Ask your fishmonger to scale and gut it for you, but leave the head and tail on. Trust me, presentation is everything. Now let's talk marinade. This is where we inject the fish with a punch of flavor. A simple blend of garlic, ginger, chili, and a squeeze of lime will do the trick. Rub it into every nook and cranny, ensuring the fish is coated evenly. The secret to that unbelievably crispy skin, it's all about the heat. Get your oil screaming hot, we're talking volcanic levels of heat. Carefully lower the fish into the oil and listen for that satisfying sizzle. Fry it until the skin is golden brown and irresistibly crisp. Then flip it over and repeat on the other side. Serve your kaluun lilai with a wedge of lemon, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, and a side of your favorite dipping sauce. This is a dish that deserves to be the star of the show, a testament to the simplicity of fresh seafood and bold flavors. Chapter 4, Somali grilled fish. a celebration of simplicity. For our final dish, we're embracing the beauty of simplicity with Somali grilled fish. It's a celebration of fresh, seasonal catches, cooked over an open flame to impart a smoky, irresistible flavor. We're talking catfish, tilapia, and mullet, each with its own unique taste and texture, ready to be elevated to new heights. The key to perfectly grilled fish is all in the preparation. Start by cleaning your fish thoroughly, ensuring all scales are removed. Then, score the flesh diagonally on both sides. This will help the marinade penetrate deeper and ensure even cooking. Speaking of marinade, we're keeping it simple but flavorful. Think olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Massage this mixture into the fish, ensuring it reaches every nook and cranny. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and work their magic. Now, for the grilling. Heat your grill to medium-high heat. You want those grill marks, but you don't want to burn the fish. Place the fish on the grill and cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the flesh is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. The aroma alone will have your mouth watering. Serve your Somali grilled fish with a squeeze of lemon, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, and a side of your favorite Somali staples. It's a dish that speaks for itself, a testament to the power of fresh ingredients and simple cooking techniques. We hope you enjoyed this delicious dive into Somalian seafood. From the aromatic depths of Malay Qumbe to the crispy perfection of Somalian fish sambusas, this is a cuisine that's guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds. Remember, cooking is about more than just following a recipe. It's about exploring new cultures, embracing bold flavors, and creating something truly special. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. We'll be back with more mouth-watering dishes, insider tips, and culinary journeys that will inspire you to get in the kitchen and create something extraordinary. Until next time, happy cooking!